Hi, my name is Mahfoud. Welcome to the Reading and Building Vocabulary. Again, we have another text that we will read together and we will choose the vocabulary to learn it together. Let's start. This is the text. The title says English Class. My colleagues and I love to study English, especially in the morning. We love to meet our awesome teacher Iqbal every day. He is so kind, humble, and punctual. So it's very simple. The text is very simple. Now let's choose the vocabulary. English class. Let's start from the title. So class means the session that you have in a specific topic. Here we have English class, so English session. My colleagues means people who are studying with you or working with you. Okay? Love to study English. Okay? Especially in the morning. Especially is the same of specifically or precisely. We love to meet our awesome teacher. Awesome could mean as well beautiful or wonderful. Teacher Iqbal every day. He is so kind, humble, and punctual. So means very, and kind means good-hearted or compassionate. Humble means modest, and punctual means someone who comes on time. Now you have new vocabularies. I hope now you have learned some vocabulary with me. And if you like the video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber yet, try to subscribe to my channel to receive many of these videos. And I hope I can see you in the next video. Till then, bye.